In this short video, we're going to show you how to use Excel to subtotal data that's generated from the Connected Accounting and ERP software. This video is just a short accompaniment or a short attachment to a blog post that we've written on this topic. So let's take a look at how we can use Excel to quickly capture and subtotal a large block of sales data. We're going to move to the Connected Navigator and we're going to choose a report called the Customer Invoice Analysis. This report dumps every single line item of every invoice in Connected. So if an invoice had 5 lines on it, there'd be 5 rows in the spreadsheet export. It has a variety of great data that is very popular for customers to manipulate. So let's see how we can do that very quickly with Microsoft Excel. The data has now been exported to Excel and I have it in front of me. I'm just going to quickly get rid of a few columns that we don't need for this example. I'm going to delete those. As you can see, the data comes out as a flattened export from Connected, so it's very clean. The data has approximately 450 rows, but what I need to do is I need to do a quick subtotal so that I can see a single line for every customer on this report. I'm going to highlight all the columns that I want to use. I'm going to select the data menu and choose subtotals. I'm going to get a Microsoft message, which we'll just skip over here and get to the more important part, which is the subtotal function. So I'm going to use each change in customer name. I'm going to use the sum function, and I'm going to sum both the sales and the cost column. I'm going to click OK, and my data has now been subtotaled. Now the data still isn't very usable yet because the subtotals are appearing very far down below. So if I scroll down, I'll get a subtotal for account tech somewhere down here. That's great, but that's not the data that we want to use in this example. What we want to do is we want to see one line per customer. So what I'm going to do is click the 2 over on the left hand side, which is over here, and you can see quickly that my data is now rolled up and I have one line per customer. I can delete the unnecessary columns, and now I've got a very quick summary of all my customer sales based on invoice line item data with the sales and the cost. So to take it a step further, we could certainly add a profit in dollars column, make a simple calculation, copy it down, and we now have the total profit in dollars. And there's a quick example how the power of subtotaling can take a large block of data and quickly make it very useful.